use Google My Business effectively, follow these steps. First, start by going to the Google My Business website, google.com/business, and sign in with your Google account, which is necessary to have. Follow the instructions to create and claim your business listing. Provide accurate and up-to-date information about your business, including name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation. Make sure to complete all of the sections of your profile. Add high-quality photos and videos to showcase your business, products, or services. Write a compelling business description that accurately represents your offerings. Select relevant categories that describe your business or would even be considered a keyword. Regularly monitor and respond to your customer reviews on your listing. Respond promptly and professionally to both positive and negative reviews. Address customers' concerns and show your commitment to excellent customer service. Utilize the post feature to share updates, promotions, events, or even special offerings directly on your Google My Business listing. This can help attract attention, engage with customers, and drive more traffic to your website or physical location. Use the insights and analytics provided by Google My Business to gain valuable data about how customers are finding and interacting with your listing. Understand which search queries are leading customers to your business, how many clicks you have received, and how many customers engage with your photos and posts. If your business is eligible, consider enabling messaging directly from your listing. This allows customers to contact you easily with questions or inquiries. Keep your Google My Business listing up to date. Regularly check for new reviews, respond to customers' inquiries promptly, and keep your photos and posts fresh. By effectively utilizing Google My Business, you can enhance your online visibility, attract more customers, and build a strong online presence for your business. Regularly monitor and optimize your listing to make the most out of this valuable tool.